Want to transcribe anything? YouTube videos, meetings, podcasts into text instantly and totally for free? You don't need any app or paid tools. If you are using Windows, the solution is already built in. On your Windows Start menu, just go ahead and type Live Caption. Once you open Live Caption, you will see, do you want to continue and set up Live Caption? Yes, we want to continue. For the first time, you will get some instruction and details here. Welcome to Live Caption. Audio and video will be captioned in real time and appear on your screen. Let's go ahead and select your language. I want to select English and then continue. We will need to download the language file to show live caption. That's fine. Yes, continue. Now this started downloading the language file for my laptop. Before we test it, let's check out some quick settings that makes it even more better. In the position option, you can choose the caption positions where the caption appear on above screen, below screen, or overlaid on the screen. The next option we have is language. This controls which language live caption listen for and transcribe. I have set it to English, but you can change it if you are speaking a different language. Now in the preferences, there is a setting called filter profanity. If you turn it on, bad words will be replaced with stars. This is good for school or work use. Right below that, you will see include microphone audio. Turn this on if you want the caption to show what you are saying to your mic too. The next setting we have is caption style. Clicking it open the main window setting where you can change how the caption look like text size, color, background and more. You can even create your own style if you want. And the last one we have is Learn More. It takes you to Microsoft Help page if you want more info about captions. Now let me show you how it works. I will play a video and live caption will automatically turn the audio into text in real time. Here's how to make your own playlist on YouTube step by step. Whether you want to save music, tutorials, or your favorite videos, this quick guide will show you how to do it in the easiest way possible. Let's quickly also test it on an offline video. Please go ahead and open this first link that says https play.google.com. Once you are on Play Store, on the right top of your screen, please click on these three dots, scroll down and find apps here. Let's go ahead and install this site as an app. Yes. And that's it. You just turn on your PC into a free real-time audio to text converter. No apps, no extra tools needed. This built-in live transcribe feature is a part of Windows 11. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, check the description for more free tech tutorials. See you in the next one.